How to add a recovery phone number to your Google account. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you that how you can add a recovery phone number to your Google account. So to begin with, you need to open your Gmail application on your device. From here, you need to tap on your profile. If you have multiple accounts, so choose the account that you want to add a recovery phone number to. From then, you need to tap on manage your Google account. So once you tap on that one, you need to scroll to the right where you will find the security option. So once you tap on security, you need to scroll and where you will find recovery phone. So as you can see, I did not edit any recovery phone yet. All you need to do is to tap on that option. So once you tap on that option, so guys, once you tap on that option, maybe it will ask you to enter the password to verify it's you. You can use your fingerprints or the pattern that you use to unlock your phone. But if after that, you will see this page, and from here, you need to tap on add recovery phone. So once you tap on add recovery phone, from here, you need to select the country code and then enter the phone number. So I will enter the phone number here. So guys, once you enter the phone number, the next thing you need to do is to tap on next. And once you tap on next, you need to tap on get a code. So once you tap on get code, it will send you a code on the number that you just added. And all you need to do is to copy that code and paste it here. So once you paste the code, all you need to do is to tap on verify. And that is it. The phone number has been added and it has been verified as well. So if now I go back, and as you can see, now the phone number is added as a recovery phone number to my Gmail account. So guys, this is all it takes to add a recovery phone number to your Gmail account. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.